Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a pumpkin spice latte, but it'll be a little more like a frap because I'm gonna make it ice. So what you'll need is some of course Ghirardelli caramel, but any caramel will do. But this is one I chose because I absolutely love Ghirardelli. Of course, some pumpkin spice, which is amazing. It does wonders, trust me. And then I lucked out and found this at Target. Non-dairy creamer, almond milk, and oat milk. It tastes so good. Oh, just wait to the end. And then of course, we need a little shot glass, if you know. It's for the pumpkin spice, come on now. We keep it halal, we're kosher. I have my cute little mug. I need a cute mug, but mine is Chamberlain coffee from Emma Chamberlain because I like her videos. And then I have some Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla. And then you'll also need a Ninja or any type of blender and some ice. Okay, so first off, I'm going to fill my cup up with some caramel and let that sit. So just give me 1 second. Okay, and I'm back. So we're gonna take the Ghirardelli caramel, and then just take the cup and drizzle all over. I mean, also whipped cream is optional, but I don't put whipped cream. Only because I just don't feel like it, it's too messy. But like you get that all really carameled up. Oh, delicious. Okay, then look how cute that looks. Oh my god, it's coming together. Okay, and then what I like to do is I take I'm sorry. Let's move that. I take a little bit of pumpkin spice. I open it up and I just like to, throw it in so that it kind of absorb it. And then, I like to pick it up, put some more in. You know, because you can never have enough pumpkin spice. Come on now, spooky season. Okay, get that cup all nice and ready. Look, oh, it's looking so good, and the smell, if only you could smell it. And what I do is I take some of this, pop it open, and pour it all in here, up to the top. And I just let that sit with some pumpkin spice. Ooh, give me a second. It's supposed to be looking cute. And let's make it just a little clearer. There you go. So far we have the cup drizzled, and then we have the pumpkin spice in a shot glass. Make a little mess, you know, because why not? Then I let that sit, and then what I do is, once that's all sitting, I move everything out the way. I try to be super, super clean and organized with it. Okay. Then I have this wonderful Ninja I got from Target. Oh, it's huge. Let's check it. Like, there you go. Okay. And then I take about a handful of ice. I don't like too much ice because then it gets watered down unless I make my own little coffee ice. But I didn't have time. I didn't think I was gonna make a cute little video. So you can see that. I might add a little more ice because I like it when it's blended. And if it's too much ice, it's just like, whatever, what are you gonna do about it? Complain. And then I'll take the little shot glass, pour it all in. Honestly, you don't even need a lot. Like a little shot glass is the perfect amount of pumpkin spice. And then I'll just leave that to the side because when it like all absorbs in the bottom of the cup, I end up just dumping it out. Then I take my almond milk, my Almond Breeze, and I pour it to about like 16 or 18. Let's do 16. And then I throw some more pumpkin spice because like I said, you can never, ever have enough. Okay. And then I let that blend but the blending is gonna be obnoxious, so we're just gonna speed that all up. Okay, so just give me 1 second here. Gonna try to get it on. Okay, now that that's all done, I take it out from this. Oop. Difficulties. Now look at this. Oh. Let's just move everything back so you can see it nice and smooth. It's kind of getting stuck because it's a little too icy. Shake it up just a little bit. Or even what I do sometimes is, I'll just take a spoon because I quickly want my drink done. And I'll just pour it in. You know, whatever I have, that's quickly gonna get the job done. Because I am very impatient. And then that's, oh, I'm making a mess. Yay. Oh, that don't look good. Even though we out here making messes, we're just gonna scoop, 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 scoop. Okay. Look at how beautiful. And of course, if you're, you know, a caramel addict like me, you'd like to drizzle some more. And of course, I will add a little bit more pumpkin spice because it is very nice. Sugar spice and everything nice. Okay, then mix it up a little bit. And there you go. Ta-da! Delicious. Ta-da! And this was everything that was used. And like I said before, I take the rest of this because usually like it'll sit and have like a little bit. Drizzle it all on. And there you go. There you have it. Alrighty. And bravo. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share.